Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the maximum love and the support. So, my beautiful people, today we're going to share with you one that's the normally session never end. See, this our mommy. This our mommy, Anthony Patricia. Bah. You better rush now to her page and make sure you follow her. She hit the nail. This woman, she dey talk. Oh. Anyways, I don't really want to talk too much because a lot is going on. Watch this video to the end. And I'll be right back.
Now again, the finisher has been held. The finisher has been held. Nobody is telling us anything. The only thing we are seeing is sporadic changes. All that the finisher put in place. Everything is being changed within 2 weeks. And you want me to believe, oh my God, that the finisher is coming out soon. You want me to believe that the finisher is coming out soon. And another government is being, oh my God, another government has been organized for you and I to be contributing money again. All right? For somebody to be coming to tell us, Biafra will come. Biafra is here. Biafra has been declared. Biafra, what are you doing? Where? What is happening to Simon? What is hell happening to Simon? Where is Simon Ekpa? Where is Simon Ekpa? You men, Cheese Ramazan Namonikano, told us, okay, that there is no man. He's not seen any man in Biafran soil. Okay. Hence he said those words. He said the only thing I am seeing are all women. What is happening today? The finisher is out of view. We are not seeing any man. Those men shouting, Abata Kopo, Abata Kulia, Abata Chukupochoninako. Where are you people? Where are you men? Where are you men? The finisher is not here. Where are you men? All that he had worked for. All that he had labored for, promising you people, even bringing charter, bringing constitution. What again are you people looking for? What again? You men are so weak. You people are so stupid. You men are so stupid. What are you people waiting for? No man. There is no man in Biafran soil. Look at what you idiots, you people are only gossiping. Allowing a woman to rubbish what the finisher has put in place. People are so stupid from the pits of Jezebel. Everybody is coming to defend. You all have come to defend the Wanyango. Where is the finisher? Where is Simon? All you men. Abata Kopo. Jordan. All the stupid names people gave to him. Yeah? Where is Simon? You stupid men, Igbo men especially, where is Simon? Where is Simon? All you coming, Abata Chinyenu, whatever name. Where are you people? Where are you people? Nobody is speaking. The Fulani has taken over. The Fulani has taken preeminence again. The Fulani, they are even invading and killing more. You people are doing nothing. Okay, you're only searching for stupid positions. God punish all of you people from the pits of Jezebel. May God punish you people. Let Fulani take over. After all, some of you have said you have not come to fight war. Meaning Namidekane is fighting war. Meaning the finisher is fighting war. You people have not come to fight war. You people have not come to fight. God punish you people. I regretted ever coming to this Facebook to talk about Biafra. No wonder people are dropping. No wonder everybody is saying is Biafra. Is it not Biafra now? Is it not Biafra now? Is it not Biafra? God punish you people there big time. Is it not Biafra now? I ask you people. Is it not Biafra? Another group is being set aside again now to start coming to preach to us, to start taking us to kindergarten. The finisher took years to prepare the charter, took years to do the constitution, and you don't want people to be referring to the charter. God punish all of you people there. God punish you people. The finisher did the charter, right? To it to be kept in the coven. Don't refer to the charter. All you men are there. A woman is destroying. All you men, stupid men are there. That was why I looked around. I could not see any man until the finisher came and said he was 50 men in one. And I tell us that guy was 100 men. Listen, if somebody want to get you, If they set a woman to get you, the woman will stereotype you. The woman will be monitoring you, doing as if, Dr. Nelly did it, honey. Dr. Nelly did it. We thought we have seen a Messiah in Dr. Nelly. What happened at the end of the day? What happened, Biafrans? Open your goddamn eye. Listen, if I want to get a man, as I am now, if I want to get you, right? I will toy like a toddler. I will toy like a toddler. I will do one unique thing that everybody will believe that I'm in love with you. I will do one unique thing. Okay, the convention, Biafra declaration was done, and so, yeah, and so, this is, like, God, God. Patricia, come off it, be brave, come off it. Now, listen. When just now is festive period, right? You have some chickens. What do you do every morning? You pour them their food. They rush to eat those food. They think you have done them good by giving them those food. They never know that you are targeting to get them for slaughter. Do you understand me, goddamn idiots? You don't know. The poor chicken, okay, does not know that I gave them those food to be fed so that I will kill them and eat them. This was just what happened. Okay, dear friends, because you people should peruse into what is happening and see that this is not normal. See that this is not normal. Okay, remove your scrotum so you better pad. Can't you tell no pad? You people should stop looking at this. You people should stop this. Stop this. You people are like chickens. Chickens been given their corns to eat. Okay, giving their foods to eat. Targeting them for slaughtering. Do you understand me, people? Because they are no more, okay? Do what you want to do. He's a man like you people. The finisher is a man like you people. Mazi Samuel Ekpa, the Prime Minister, the dragon, we call him. Okay, yeah. Martin Luther King was a man. Let me go get you people some part. You men, take the pad. Take the pad. Wear it. Wear it. Because the trouser people are wearing is rubbish. Take pad, then take it and attach it with your boxers. Cut those scrutums away so that you'll be having your menstrual flow. Every day we will not hear word coming on X to disturb people. Did you see the questions being thrown at you people? Even the people throwing those questions. Are you people not men? Are you people not men? Are you people not men? Can't you people do something? Eh? Can't people do something? Where is Simon? Where is Simon? I ask you men, where is Simon? Abata kopo. Ebulia konala. Mini yini no shimini. Otumboto bruni ni nanya afani nunu nyelie. Where is Simon? Ebeka Simon no. I have told you people, you guys are like chickens, fowls to be slaughtered. You people are like fowls to be slaughtered. I rest my goddamn case. Bono. Maga is asking you people, where is Chis Ramazan Namodi Okukan? Nobody's even talking about Chis Ramazan Namodi Okukan again. Nobody. What we are here. Chineke Bono. I regret ever coming to Facebook to talk of you, stupid Biafra. I regret it. Because now I can't sleep. Look, Chineke Bono. All the people that have been calling you Biafra, are they not justified now? Wouldn't they say they are justified? Wouldn't they say? Now you want to linger again. You want to linger. Okay, you're bringing another people. Look at all of them. They are all weak and very tired. Our aged fathers, our aged mothers are the ones that will be doing all these errands, running here and there for you. You people are like chicken, waiting to be slaughtered. Fulanis are laughing. Fulanis are laughing at you people now. Fulanis are laughing. They said it. Remove one of them and all is. Who is this? Stop disturbing, please. Who is this idiot disturbing me? Fulanis are laughing. All the enemies of Biafrans are laughing. Shame on you people. I say shame. Shame. They took away Simon. Look at. Who is this? Claire. Leave me alone. Claire, you people should get out. All you calling. You, especially you men, stop calling people are useless from the pits of Jezebel. People are so useless. Useless. Chief said it. I looked around. I didn't see anybody. I didn't see anybody. What I'm only seeing are all women. What is happening? Men are only tattling. Where is this idiot? Stop calling. Men are only tattling. And now myself is, it's risk for me now to travel. I'm in a dilemma now to travel. And what did I fight for? Rubbish. What for what reason am I afraid to travel now? Rubbish. The finisher took years to do what he did. Brought you charter. And you are telling me not to refer to Chineke. And Chief Remazen Namodekano said it. If you want to deceive a white man, a black man and woman, put it, on a paper. Pen write them. Okay, they cannot read you. I don't want to receive any call from any of you. I don't want it. You people should stop calling Chineke Bono. Or you are the same thing. Where is the finisher, I ask? Where is the finisher? Where is the finisher? Where is the finisher? Some idiots, some non-entities, some nomenclatures are asking. That was how the DOS defended structure. Did you see any paper? It's only Mamoutin. The time of Chief Remazen Namodekano. Okay. No documentation. Nothing was given to Biafrans. Okay. Nothing was prepared. Who would have prepared it with him? He was the lone person. Chief Remazen Namodekano was all alone. So he had no time because he was yet to see somebody of his intelligence that would have done the documentation for him. Hence, he was not able to have created any charter concerning Biafra and as at then, the Biafran, the population that we have today. Okay, we have not been numbered. But now, the finisher did a marvelous job with his team, okay, of media warriors. His teams of media warriors convinced the people to all reasonable doubts, okay. And now that he found out that we have made up a number to become a nation, they started preparing the charter, okay. All right? They started preparing that charter. They started brainstorming. They started doing many things to put those booklets together. And now you are telling me not to refer to them? Are you not? You are telling me not to refer to what took years to prepare. Chineke Banako big time. Chineke Banako big time. Where is the finisher? Look at the people they are assembled. Look at the people that were assembled. Our daddies that want to be relaxing. These are the people. You people should go and get power tussle. You people should go get all the things people are doing. All you native doctors. People are keeping quiet, right? Because you don't want even the Biafra to come. Because of your atrocious things. Right? Because of your illegal ways of getting your monies. Do you understand me? You don't want Biafra to come. Right? Because of your illegal ways of enriching yourselves. Maga has called you people. Maga, she called you people, out. Shame on you, native doctors. Where is another man to come out? No man. Where is another man? No man. Hey! Where is another man? No man. No any other can come out because they are all lily-livered. They are all dampers wearers. They are all pad wearers. Pretending to be men, only to come and be speaking English. Chineke big time. They are all no man. Chineke no. Women are gossiping, men are gossiping. Go to Twitter now. They are all there, gathered there, speaking stupid English, stupid nonsense English. Okay, eradicating themselves with posts. Okay. Eradicating themselves with a post. Give a black man position and you see how stupid he or she becomes. Arrogate themselves. Stupid posts. Stupid position. Biafra is yet to come. Chistremazen Namodekano is nowhere to be seen. If he's been killed, nobody knows. This is the great opportunities the Fulani have been waiting for. Okay. And they just got it on a platter of gold. Do you understand me? Now people are singing song. Release Chistremazen Namodekano and extradite the finisher. Chineke Ochozikonoko. Lily livered buffoons. P. Lily livered idiots. Chistremazen Namodekano has turned a good person. Are you sure Chistremazen Namodekano is still alive? Bastards like you, are you people sure? Are you sure? Now you've taken the finisher. And somebody is telling me the finisher will come out today. The finisher will come out tomorrow. The finisher is there. I spoke to him. Somebody spoke to him. And yet everything is being changed under the twinkle of an eyebrow. I ask you fucking idiots, I ask you a question. A new director has taken over a company. Immediately the director came in. He started sacking everybody. What a government. What an abacha. Abacha and Idiagbon put together Suzumen. We might Immediately the managing director came. Head office Abuja. Remove the person. Is it not Fulani? Honey? Is it not the same thing the Fulanis are doing? Even the Fulanis took time. Do you understand me? Okay. Enugu. Remove the person. Okay, go. Remove him. Have you come in contact with this person? Have you come in contact with them? No. Have you perused into the artillery of that section? No. Sacking everybody that does not dance to your nonsensical nonsense thing. Okay. And anybody that speaks, the next day you go to the platform, remove this person under 2 weeks. Biafra una no say me. My page is not big. I am not soliciting for star. You never gave me one and you will never give me one. I am who I am. Chineke bono no. Chineke bono. God punish you people. Chineke bono ni no. Chineke bono no. God punish you people. I've been here. I've not been able to sleep for 4 days. I have not been sleeping. Chineke bono ni no. Chineke bono no. Asam Chineke bono no. Come and start preaching for Biafrans again. Start preaching. Let your stupid government start preaching for Biafrans again. People should come and start preaching. Donate. You don't want wars. Why do you need the money? What do you want to use the money for? Which ground do you want to establish your hospital? Your psychiatric hospital. Where is the ground? The ground the Fulani has taken over. The ground they are bombing everything. Where? Is it the checkpoint that they have gone to take their abode again? Is it the checking point all over Biafran soil that they have remounted again? Is it where you want to go and build your mansion, your edifice? Let me come and pay money for a beautiful edifice. Where are you going to build those ones? Huh? Where are you going to build them? You are bringing our aged father, our aged mother to be lying at this their age in Anamo. And this their age in Assis feet. You are bringing them to come and be lying to Biafrans. You are bringing them. Akbarawa Sonny, I said it's a shame on you people. A very big shame. Me? People insulted Chistremazen Namodi Okukan. People insulted the finisher. Alright? People even insulted Nayodume Gojuku. There is none of you that I will not insult. Chineke. All of you Chineke Ununi Nokon. Akbarawa Sonny, Mbonso, I say shame on you people. You people are there. The finisher has not been seen for how many weeks now? Or you, what you people do is only to talk. You people are not embracing the Biafrans what is happening. People don't want to come and take control. People cannot take control. People cannot take control. Disgracing all the works of the finisher. Akbarawa. Disgracing the works of the finisher. Disgracing the works. You have everything. That make it a government in your hand. In your hand, in your palm, Akbarawa. I said it before. If anybody deviates, you will never deviate. That, I have it. I know it. Akbarawa Sonny, I know that. And now what are they trying to do? They are trying to carve out that 5 states. Dear friends. So all your brothers that were killed, all your mothers that were killed, all the things that Chistremazen Namodekano put in place, all that the finisher, follow the suit. Now they want to put everything down the drain. The ones pretending they only want the 5 states are doing their propaganda to have their 5 states. And the one also pretending they don't want war, they want to start eating and dining with the Fulani people. Okay. They are doing that one. Akpara was on Anamso. Anamso, what are you doing? Van, what are you people doing? What are you people doing? Biafran Unite, what are you people doing? Where are your scrutums? Cut them off and put pampas or say so. Cut all of them off and put pampas. Yenye, where is my pad? Yenye, put it there. Wear your pads. You people are just disgrace. People are disgracing us. People are disgracing me. People are disgracing me. Biafrans, I leave, please. I leave. That was why I put all of you to Jinekebo. Come on, X. People should start talking. It's X that Biafra want to eat. It's X. It's on X the Biafra will come. You have everything that binds you, that makes you a government. You have it on your palm. The finisher took how many years? Brainstorming. This guy was not sleeping. He never had fun with his family. Nothing. Only for him, okay, for them to stereotype him. Now he's nowhere to be seen, and everything is going down the drain in shambles. And all you does is to come and be on Twitter. Be on Twitter for 30 hours. And somebody is defending the undefendable. Some people are defending same things. You are still defending the undefendable. You guys are like chickens. Foods or corns, right? Grains are being thrown at you people to eat. And as you are eating, they are targeting which one they're going to take for 24th night, which one are they going to take for 25th night, which one are they going to take for Boxing Day, which one are they going to pick for 1st of January. This is what you people are. Be there. Be there. Be talking. Be on X. Be talking on X. People should clear away from my page.
So the big question people are not asking is, where is Simon Ekpa? So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Don't forget to like the video, share and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, as I keep on bringing you all the updates back to back. Thank you so much and bye bye.